we are aware of what is happening right now. MIRI. AI, IoT, big data, and cloud. The amazing future technologies that are driving our groundbreaking elevator maintenance services lead a whole new level of elevator maintenance service. Experience it in advance. Dedicated to ensuring your unique and safe, comfortable mobility. We are MIRI. We're on our way before you call, preparing in advance. Anticipate the future before it happens. By collecting and analyzing real-time data generated by elevators, we automatically detect elevator malfunctions and quickly classify the causes. Customer Care Center's specialized customer service representatives provide prompt assistance 24 hours a day. And AI remotely provides engineers in the field with solutions. Ensuring that necessary materials are prepared in advance and allowing for precise actions to minimize elevator downtime. Furthermore, AI continuously learns from accumulated big data, evolving the system to proactively eliminate potential risks in different locations. From analyzing the aging of elevator components in different usage environments to providing information on the replacement of key components to engineers and customers. MIRI keeps your elevator in the best possible condition and ensures its safety. MIRI is always connected. You may not be able to see MIRI, but MIRI is on top of every small movement of your elevator. MIRI is awake 24/7, providing not only elevator basic information and real-time status, but also operational big data analysis for rational decision-making. You can access all the information necessary for elevator management transparently in real time, anytime, anywhere. It's like managing elevators as if you were constantly checking and maintaining your health, which can elevate the prestige of the building. We innovate in advance. The starting point of all innovation is you. Understanding your needs and making your mobility experience more convenient and innovative, we drive our technology to the next level. Call your elevator in advance through a smartphone. You can call the elevator anytime, anywhere with the MIRI call service. You can pre-book elevator calls before arriving at the building and easily call the registered destination floor in advance.
59층 부탁해.
It can also be voice-enabled by integrating with various AI assistant systems, showing where the elevator is right now, reducing waiting times and making your journey more convenient. MIRI is a safeguard for your everyday life. Safely use the elevator with the intelligent passenger safety system with MIRI View. All of MIRI View's senses are always awake. It automatically detects abnormal signals when sudden movements or screams are detected through video analysis and voice recognition technology. Our Customer Care Center closely monitors elevator interior activities, responding quickly, and elevator managers can instantly check CCTV footage through the mobile app. We take responsibility for both customer safety and building security. We open up infinite possibilities in vertical mobility through the connection of elevators with various objects, allowing you to meet the future in advance. The integration of robots.
Hello, Michelle.
Artificial intelligence speakers, smartphones, digital signage, and building management systems. Beyond the boundaries of mobility, buildings become smarter. The robot integration service that freely moves in connection with elevators is used in various applications, such as hospital medication delivery, hotel services, and delivery services. It will showcase the future ahead of vertical mobility. 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. Anytime, anywhere, MIRI enables free, safe, and convenient mobility, opening up endless possibilities for the future of vertical mobility in advance. We are MIRI, preparing for your tomorrow. Hyundai Elevator.